Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make a jazz beat in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after downloading and opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder and so on. So let's go and see how we can get started making a jazz beat. There are two ways we can do this. The first way is to find something already pre-made in GarageBand and then edit it based on our likes. So here in the upper left corner, you can click the live loop section. That's going to enable you to find all the pre-made stuff. So here in the sound library, you can open it up and you can find all the packs created by other people. As you can see, you have Vox Melodics, that may be something you're looking for, Ultimate 808, something similar to go ahead and get you your jazz effect and jazz sound. But guys, if you do not want to use anybody else's work, you want to go ahead and create it from scratch, what you can do is go back to the track section right here, and now you can get started playing it. Basically guys, you're going to go ahead and be playing your instruments one by one. If you do not want to play virtual instruments, you can go ahead and open up the audio recorder option right here. That's going to enable you to record yourself in real life playing anything. So you can use this option, but if you do not have a real life instrument, you'll be using other instruments such as the keyboard option right here, because you do not have direct option to use a saxophone. Even though a saxophone is going to be your main jazz instrument, you can click on the more sounds option right here under keyboard, and in this menu you want to open up other and then find the brass ensemble. This is going to open up any of the instruments that you want, where at the top of the screen you'll have a big red circle to start recording yourself, and after clicking the recording button you can get started playing your music. After you're finished with your recordings guys, in the upper left corner you can click on the edit menu. This is going to open up this mastering menu where you can find all the tracks you have played. Here you can get started with adding your effects, putting however you want your tracks to get your desired jazz beat. But yeah guys, basically that's how you get started. Go ahead and explore it for yourself and be creative and get started creating your jazz beat. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.